One of the important commercially vegetable crops can be introduced as a intercrop in the interspaces of coconut. That commercial crop is that none other than brinjal. Since they have got a very rich in fats, proteins, iron, minerals, etc. They will be more responsible for bringing up the health condition of this human being. So first we have to go for raising up the seedlings. For raising up the seedling, we need 275 to 350 grams of seeds. We have to raise in the nursery. It takes about 4 weeks for establishment of nursery. After 4 weeks, you can remove and transfer into the main field. In the main field, we have to go for opening of the furrows at 2.5 feet by 1.5 foot, and we have to go for drilling the seedlings in each point, and we have to go for cultivation of this. And often we have to go for weeding, irrigation. So in this way, we may get 20 to 30 tons of brinjal per hectare.